In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn messy names into proper names in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to clean up your name data. This works great when you have names typed in inconsistent formatting, like all lowercase, all uppercase, or a mix of both, and you want Excel to quickly convert them into a more professional, readable format. Once your workbook is open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the messy names are placed in cells A1 through A5. Keeping your original data in one column and placing the cleaned version in another is a smart way to work because it lets you compare the results side by side without changing the source data right away. Next, you'll enter the proper formula. Start by clicking cell B1 and typing proper name as your column header. This helps label the new column clearly so you know these are the cleaned up versions of the original names. After that, click cell B2. In that cell, type an equal sign, then the word proper, followed by an opening parenthesis, then A2, and then a closing parenthesis. The full formula should reference the name in cell A2. When you're done, press enter. As soon as you press enter, Excel will return the name in proper name format. That means the first letter of each word will be capitalized and the remaining letters will be changed to lowercase. So if the original entry was written in a messy format, Excel will automatically make it look cleaner and more standardized. This is especially useful when you're preparing lists for reports, contact records, or any spreadsheet that needs a polished appearance. Now that the formula is working, you can copy it to the remaining rows. Select cell B2 again and look for the fill handle, which is the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Click and drag that fill handle down through cell B5. Excel will automatically apply the same formula pattern to the rest of the names in your list. As you drag down, each row updates based on the corresponding cell in column A, which makes this a very fast way to clean multiple entries at once. It's a simple technique, but it can save a lot of time when you're working with messy text data. And that's it. You've successfully turned messy names into proper names in Excel using the proper function.